For making the outline hitch, we need an object like a carabiner. We put the running hand inside the object from below. We pull a little bit. Then we pass the running hand under the standing part and we turn it around like this in the middle of this loop. One time, and we have to pull quite well. Then we do another time inside this loop, and then we pass under this part of the loop, under this part of the standing part, and inside again. When we have to tighten the note, we have to pull a little bit the running hand like this. Other stuff. Press it a little bit more, a little bit of this part, like this. If we close the knot in the right way, by pulling very strong, the knot holds a little bit the position. Then we are able also to change the position of the knot by pulling this part, the standing part. As you can see, it holds quite well.